Anuvi Chemicals is founded by like Dr. Krishna Kumar Saxena with a huge past experience into the polymer and chemical industry. So our mostly company values are with co-creations, innovations, being future ready for the customers and some customized product development. So we are mostly based on the eco-friendly products, high performance products, some customized solution to the customers, for the key accounts and some innovative things into the R&D areas into the organizations. The next new the most important thing about the organization is our DNA is based on the research and development and innovation to the factory, right? So I have a small videos of my organization. I'll hold it. Okay. तो एक छोटा वीडियो है इसमें. Yes, yes. हाँ, it will run. So this is a quite short video of our research and development lab where we are working into the different types of product development like emulsions, like some construction chemicals and binders. Mostly we are into the binder parts for decorative paints and textiles and some other segments. Right. So we have various brands in our organization that like whatever the product portfolio we have, that product portfolio we classified into like 4 to 5 areas. Like one is Anucryl, Impress, Anuvitan, Anuvisol and Resicon and Homebox. So that Anucryl is mostly based on the emulsions for the decorative paints. Impress is the trade name for the emulsion for inks, water-based and some other areas. So we are 100% into the water-based products. So we have a lot of customers across the India and exports. Right. So our mega trends into the paint, we have into the environmental sectors, technology, smart paints and resource availability. Our most focus is on depend, customize and smart solution to the customers. So where the range of products is considered into the acrylic emulsions, styrene acrylic emulsions, VAM acrylic emulsions, specialty emulsions, acrylic wetting and dispersing agent for the paints, and acrylic thickening agents. So my major part of this presentation is to the new products that we develop rather than the innovation. So the recently new product we developed, that is some emulsions for multicolor paints and the multicolor paints. So what is meant by multicolor? Multicolor is nothing but multicolor paints are specially designed water-borne paints in which different colors coexist with different shades and different range. So that is classified with some bases, different 5 to 6 bases like BP1, BP2. They have a different concentration of TiO2 and different like protective colloids and for interior and exterior applications. So and also we developed the emulsions for multicolor paints. So how it looks, and that basis is converted into the multicolor paint with some mixing media with tinted areas, and you disperse it and then we different ratios and we apply onto the surfaces where you need it. And how it multicolor looks is totally replica of your granite or stone finishes products. So you can replicate any stone finish or granite finish by the use of these paints, or you can make a paint by the use of these emulsions. So yeah, you can see it is a texture coating also. Okay. So there is a benefits of multicolor paints. It is the absence of natural flux like cracks, chips, impurities, etc. Lightweight. It have unlimited innovative colors. Whatever the shades you want to develop, you can make your own shades. And with respect to that, there is a different top coats you can use on that areas. So this is the actual how it looks. So other part of innovation is emulsion for a stain resistance paint. So we have two different emulsions like Anucryl SCS 520 as a styrene acrylic and 540 as a pure acrylic for stain resistance paints. So this emulsion is an excellent stain resistance. It is a low VOC, formaldehyde and APEO free. It is a premier for the interior application, and you can use styrene acrylic this emulsion for exterior also. And there is one other 540 as a pure acrylic that also can you can use for exterior. So the see how you I'll show you how like this paint is able to like restrict the stain. So I use with turmeric, tea, and coffee. So and then I wipe it with water and just wash it. It remove from the paint surfaces. So the paint made by SCS 520 emulsions, it is styrene acrylic emulsions, and we make a paint like some other people they make a paint and then apply onto the one buildings. So the building looks new from last 10 monsoons. So the beauty of this emulsion, I'll tell you, it is a low TG emulsions. It is a self cross-linking characteristics. Once it dry, it behaves like it is a high TG emulsion. And based on that characteristics, it provides you the high crash resistance, stain resistance, and dirt resistance. So you can use in exterior also. Once you will wash out by water and rain comes, it will wash out and it looks new. So other part of emulsions we have emulsions for elastomeric paints or elastomeric coatings. So in this category we have two emulsions, that is Anucryl C930A and Anucryl C923A. So 930 emulsions is nothing but it is a pure acrylic elastomeric emulsions. It have eco-friendly in nature, transparent, high glossy film. The elongation is up to 500 to 600%. It is low TG, and the tensile strength is near about 3 MPa. It have good early water whitening resistance and excellent durability. Other class of elastomeric emulsion we recently developed, that is Anucryl C923. It is a styrene acrylic emulsions, but still it have elongation properties up to 200% in a low TG characteristics. It can be used for high quality architectural coatings. So how it looks when you make a film of like some thickness and you can like check it the stretching of that film. So that film itself have a shape memory characteristics. It will regain its own shape. So and I'll show you one small video how it will be used for. So the name is 930A, actually it is a typing mistake. So we make a paint of 930A emulsion, a pure acrylic, and then we coat it onto like on such area, and after like drying, we'll check the waterproofing of that emulsion, how it works. It have good like shape memory characteristics as well. So there is a other potential applications of that 930A emulsion. Actually 930A emulsion is a multifunctional emulsion. We can be applicable and used in different areas based on your formulation, how to formulate your paints. So it can be used for cool roof coating. It can be used for anti-carbonation coating. It can be used for waterproofing. This is a one site in our factory we like coated with this paint. Earlier before coated, like that tank is not able to withstand water a day. It will rinse out. At the morning you will fill it, up to the evening the water is out. So what we will do, we make a coat of this paint of these emulsions, and now it have excellent waterproofing from last 1 year. So the one side images of based on this emulsion. And the one other beauty of this emulsion is it have crack bridging properties as well. So other class of emulsions we have in specialty, we have dirt pickup resistance like Anucryl CP180S. So you can like say as a dust resistance emulsions. So it is a silane modified pure acrylic emulsions. It have hard glossy film. It is a high glass transition temperature, superior dirt resistance properties into the paint. It have excellent durability with UV resistance and excellent water and alkali resistance. So this is a one like example how it we apply just like carbon powder onto the paint surfaces and just remove it. You can see like this is some like market available product where still like dust is available, and this one is our paint made by 180S. So other class of emulsion we have nano emulsions, that is anti-efflorescence emulsion. A lot of time people are like focusing on to the how it like such problems. So that anti-affluence is nothing but the affluence mostly like the salts generated are available into the like construction materials. Once it contact with water and some like carbon dioxide, it comes out through the surfaces of like paint and they'll create a problem onto the paint surface. So we make some emulsion with a different solid percent like Anucryl C519 and Anucryl C529. So both are the very fine 16 nanometer particle size emulsions. It is eco-friendly as well. So you can see the paint made by some other emulsions and the paint made by 519, how it looks like into the effluence. So paint made by 519 on 529 and paint made by some other emulsions. So into the like alkali resistance, how like it starts to like generate effluence. So it have good anti-affluence emulsion. You can use into the paint, or you can make up like now. Number of times people are asking about why we go for the anti-affluence paint. Can we go for the anti-affluence putty as well? So you can try it. So other green class of emulsions we have, that is Anucryl 614, 514, and other range for mid PVC paints and high PVC paints. So other class of one product we recently developed, that is 100% water-based wood coating products in our area. So it is a ready-to-use product in a pack. So with it is a Anucryl 101 AC, a water-based sealer for woods, and then water-based a glass coating, clear coat, water-based matte finish, water-based satin finish for the woods. This is like wood surface coated by glossy surface and matte surface. So we developed the recent one emulsion Anucryl C537 for the water-based wood coating products. So one innovative, recently we developed the one product with help of my colleague Mr. Darshan. He recently joined and we work on this project and we start to develop the opaque polymer. Everyone, paint industry people, they very well known about the opaque polymers. So into the paint formulation, the major part like constitute about the cost is the TiO2. So and the cost of TiO2 is growing day by day, and it is very difficult to control it. So this is the part of one organic pigment. TiO2 is inorganic pigment, this is the organic pigment. You can reduce the cost of your paint based on TiO2 with the replacement of some part of TiO2 based on this opaque. So we are recommending 20 parts of replacement of TiO2 into the paint formulation by the use of our opaque polymer. So this is a cost-effective replacement of TiO2, hence cost-effective than TiO2 into the paint formulation. It have excellent hiding, improved light scattering, improved gloss on storage stability. The major like how that opaque polymer is work like a TiO2 into the paint formulation. So the concept behind the refractive index. So the concept is what? It is a hollow polymer products which have water inside. It is a water emulsion which have water inside to the core, and once it comes in contact with air, the void filled by your air, and it doesn't have film forming properties. It dries like a TiO2. So this is the actual tame images how TiO2 works and how it looks. Sorry, it is opaque polymer. So when it comes into the hollow structures, its refractive index is equal to the refractive index of TiO2. So this is some drawdowns of our developed opaque polymer as compared to some market products. In other class of products, we have into the additives for paints, like some dispersing thickeners. So recently we developed one Anucryl D250. It is a new class of hydrophobic dispersant with up to 37% solids. It is efficient for minimum dosage, improve color strength, excellent dispersion over wide pH ranges, and imparts good stability. So how it looks. Other class of like emulsions, we have haze thickeners. So you know the like beauty of haze thickener rather than acrylic and some other acrylic thickeners. So it is a alkali soluble thickener. When you use into the paint formulation for the grinding, so what happen? It will, during the grinding, it will reduce the viscosity. Once you stop grinding, it will build its viscosity. That is the one beauty of this emulsion. In other like thickeners, if you add it, it will viscous it. If you want to reduce it, it is very difficult. So this one is the one beauty of this haze thickener. We have like three categories: HA80, HA120. So I'm especially thankful to IPCA to giving me chance to present myself and my company over here. And if you need any help in technical or products, in innovation products, what we developed, so you can contact our team members, so they'll help you. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Prashant Khobragade. And I'll now request Mr. Ashok Gayant to kindly present a little memento of gratitude on behalf of all of us here at IPCA to Dr. Prashant and thank him. And once again, request everyone in the audience to please join me with a round of applause in thanking Dr. Prashant for making that comprehensive presentation.